Got something blocking you from what you want to manifest? Well, today we're going to talk about the most effective way to bust through any blocks or resistance in any area of your life. So let's talk about that today. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a law of attraction coach, and today we're talking about how to deal with resistance. So just before we dive into this, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below. I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them with the intention to help you create something wonderful in your life. Okay, so today we're talking about dealing with resistance. So resistance is a fun one. Resistance, let's see, what is resistance? Resistance is thoughts. Blocks are thoughts, okay? Thoughts are things, thoughts create things, okay? So resistance is merely a thought that is contrary to what we want to create. Okay, so this is best explained in an example. So, and I'm also going to explain how you get past the resistance as well by creating intentions. So let's say, for instance, I say, I'm going to go to the gym today. However, you know what? I'm going to go at 6 o'clock and the gym is going to be packed, and then the parking lot's going to be packed. I'm not going to be able to get a parking spot. Okay, so this is my statement, that my block, that the gym's going to be packed. This is my block or resistance, that the parking lot's going to be packed and I'm not going to be able to get a parking spot. Okay, how do we bust through these pieces of resistance or blocks, right? Is we need to actually create intentions that block them out, cancel them out, okay? So if I were to say that I intend to go to the gym tonight, and then I say, okay, well, you know what? But the gym's going to be packed and the parking lot's also going to be busy. I'm not going to be able to get a parking spot. But then I say, I intend for the gym to be empty and for me to get, a good workout. That deals with that block. However, I'm going to drive to the gym, and guess what? The parking lot's still going to be packed and I'm not going to be able to find a parking spot because I haven't dealt with that piece of resistance or that block. So that's how things will partially get through, and only part of your manifestation will show up, is because we haven't dealt with the other block. So how to actually effectively remove all of our resistance and blocks and how to deal with them is, okay, I intend to go to the gym tonight, but the gym is going to be completely packed and the parking lot's going to be packed. I'm not going to be able to find a parking spot. So what we need to do is we need to say, no, you know what? I intend for the gym to be completely empty and for nobody to be there, okay? And I intend for the parking lot to be empty and to get a parking spot right up front. Done. And I intend to get a good workout tonight, okay? So when it comes to dealing with blocks and resistance, we identify what our complaints are. So my end result is going to be going to the gym and getting a workout. But I had two blocks. One, that the gym was going to be packed. Two, that the parking lot was going to be packed and there was going to be no parking. So in order for me to unblock me getting to the gym and getting a workout in, I needed to create intentions to basically cancel out these particular two blocks. So I intend for the gym to be empty, and I intend for the parking lot to be empty and also to get a parking spot up front, and I intend to have a good workout tonight. Done. I'm going to go to the gym, and guess what? I'm going to have a great time, going to get a great workout, going to feel the burn, right? Me and Jerry, we're going to feel the burn. He's going to be like, So basically, right, thoughts are things, okay? Blocks and resistance come in the form of thoughts. They do need to be completely canceled out in order to reach your end result. So basically, that's what you do no matter what you're creating in your life, okay? So let's say, for instance, I intend for, Jerry to call me. Okay, but I don't think Jerry's never called me. Okay, well, but Jerry has a phone. He can pick up the phone. Maybe he'll text me instead. I intend for Jerry to text me. Oh, but Jerry's mad at me. No, I intend for Jerry, to forgive me and to forget it and to text me. No problem. Jerry will text me. So that's how it looks, is to take any thoughts that you have that are contrary to what you're looking for, to create, and to revise them to, create intentions to actually cancel them out. And that's how you bust through resistance, and that's how you create intentions that will help you to bust through this resistance. Anyways, yeah, that's my video for today. You can apply that to any area of your life. I really wanted to make a video to explain how that is done and how to do that effectively. So that's an effective way to basically resolve any blocks and resistance and to bust through them in a very effective manner. So thank you for sharing, commenting, liking, and subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.